If you're multilingual, the Judiciary of Guam wants you.
When you're not comfortable with English, in order to have access to justice, we should provide, and everyone is required to have an interpreter if they request for one.
The Court Interpreter Registry program started 2 years ago under then Chief Justice F. Philip Carbolito and present Attorney General Elizabeth Barrett Anderson. According to Language Assistance Manager June Bells Carino, the program today is 50 interpreters strong and represents 16 languages.
We have an upcoming scheduled training. So with this recruitment process, when we send interpreters into the courtroom or with their client and attorney meetings, they're prepared, they're trained, and it's not just interpreting anywhere, it's legal type of interpreting.
The hope is to grow not only the pool of interpreters, but the available languages to include Thai, Greek, Samoan, and Russian. Although families who are fluent in the needed languages often try to step up to assist translation of proceedings, Judiciary of Guam's Director of Policy Planning and Community Relations, Dana Gutierrez, explains that it's not in the best interest of the client.
We're looking for people who can be impartial, and they can, of course, interpret accurately. And we do have what we call a qualification process, and that's why we have the Court Interpreter Registry program, because our interpreters do go through a qualification process. We do provide them with training. They are required to take an oath of interpreter, and we also require them to go through an examination process.
Failure to provide the needed languages can be a strain to the court and even to the client's constitutional rights.
So we have to go back into the community. We have to contact embassies. We're trying to contact our people we know in the community to try and come forward with somebody who could be qualified to be an interpreter.
Interpreters work on an on-call basis and are not employees of the court. The court also shares the registry with other agencies, which may also lead to other job opportunities.
Interpreting can keep you busy if you're not at the court. Because we share a list, you can be working at the hospital, Guam Behavioral Health, DOE. You can help out in the community.
Applications are available online at www.guamcourts.org.
You must be 18 and authorized to work in the U.S. and pass a background check. So please submit the applications before August 21st.